Want more privacy on TikTok? Let me show you how to make your account private and hide your following list in just 1 minute. Step 1. Make your account private. Open your TikTok app. Tap on the profile icon in the bottom right. Now tap the 3 lines in the top right corner. Go to Settings and Privacy. Next, tap on Privacy. Then turn on the option that says Private Account. Once your account is private, only people you approve can follow you and see your content. Still want more privacy? Let's hide your following list too. From the same privacy settings, scroll down and tap on Following List. By default, it's visible to everyone. Change it to Only Me. Now no one will be able to see who you follow. And that's it. Your TikTok account is now fully private. If you found this helpful, drop a comment and follow for more privacy tips.